Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name in Clash Royale application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change name in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up option, click on Settings. On the next page, tap on Change Name option. Click on OK. Enter your new name and tap on Continue. This is how you can change name in Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.